About integration by recognition. That is part of your course, and in textbooks they are saying also integration by recognition. So what that means? That means, of course, still we have to apply all formulas for integration and all rules, but not only that, we have to, actually we will have something else like derivative of some function, and based on that derivative we have to recognize actually what to do with our integral. That is one thing. Another thing, this part is actually all about understanding of definition of integration. So what is one integration, one integral? All is about this. To understand that integral of a gradient function is actually original function. These questions are usually set like find derivative of, and hence find integral of. If you follow steps now that we will practice here, and if you go on the way on which I am telling you to go, probably after this session you shouldn't have problem with integration, unless some algebra may make a problem, but basically with method of finding solution for integral that your question is asking you, it shouldn't be problem. So in questions of this type, first step should be to find derivative of function. In second step, you should apply algebra to adjust a bit your derivative to looks similar to integral that you have to solve. Then your derivative you will substitute in this formula together with your original function that will be given to you on your question. And after that you are solving this integral, this equation, making subject in that equation integral that your question is asking you to find. There will be a bit playing with algebra, and of course integration rules and formulas and everything else, but it is important that here you can recognize your integral are given to you to solve. It's very hard to explain in words, so on questions, and we will go question by question, that will be much more clear. Find derivative of f of x equal x plus 1 sine x, and hence find integral x cos x dx. So once again, this integral is not in your program. It's not supposed to know how to solve it. If someone knows, it's very good anyway. But nobody will ask you to solve this integral just like integral. But if you know something here, if you get some knowledge about that integral here, then you will be able to find solution, not to solve, but to get solution for this integral. And we said in first step we are concentrating just on our function and to find derivative correctly. At the moment we are not taking care about this. then we have to use product rule, and derivative of x plus 1 is 1, multiply sine x is sine x, plus derivative of sine x is cosine x, and we have x plus 1 cosine x. So this is my derivative of this function, and now I know that integral of this is equal to that. And then I will write that equation. So integral of f dash of x, in this case sine x plus x plus 1 cosine x dx equal x plus 1 sine x. Now it's time to look here and to see how I can get this. Well, sine x is sine x. I don't have sine x here, so I don't care about that. I have cosine x, but here I have x plus 1, here I have just x. What to do? Integration rules. Integration rules. And if I go for integration rules, I will break this in two integrals. Sine x dx plus integral x plus 1 cos x dx equal x plus 1 sine x. So what? X plus 1 cosine x, integral of that is this? No. No. This here is integral of both of them. Still, I don't have x cos x, because I have x plus 1 cos x. Wait, why not to expand this? Why not to expand? In that case will be integral sine x dx plus x multiply cos x, that will be integral x cos x dx, and plus 1 multiply cos x is just cos x. So plus integral cos x dx equal x plus 1 sine x. Now I am here. I have what I need. I have what I need. X cos x. X cos x. And all what I need to do here just to solve this equation to make this subject. Then integral x cos x dx equal x plus 1 sine x minus this going on the other side will be minus sine, integral sine x dx, but also minus this one also going on the other side, because on this side I need just that, and minus integral cos x dx. So to get solution of this integral, what I need to do? Just to find those two integrals, and of course I can find those two integrals. And then integral x cos x dx equal x plus 1 sine x. Integral of sine x is minus cosine x, so will be plus cosine x minus integral of cosine x is a positive sine x, so will be minus sine x. And I have solution of the integral. Anyway, always at the end our solution should be in simplest possible form. So this form, it looks like a little bit longer than it should be. We may do something here, especially to expand this, and then we will have integral x cos x dx equal, when we expanding, it will be x sine x plus sine x plus cos x minus sine x. But now we can cancel sine x and minus sine x, and to get final solution for our integral as x sine x and plus cos x and plus c is solution of our integral.